If you're heating up your coating, do not use a 3D press for this project. It did not cure my coating all the way. This is a warning. Whatever you do when you come to using any type of chemicals, please cure this outside. Do not do this inside your home. Before you start your projects, for each sessions of your spray cans, make sure you shake it for 1 whole minute. Since my first project was an epic fail, I decided to try something new. Flat white paint and polyurethane on half of this cup. All right, you guys, I forgot to record this next step. I've already baked it in the oven. I did it at 400 degrees for 2.5 minutes. And the reason why I did this is because I thought that's what the direction wanted. So it really was 2.5 minutes and then turn it for another 2.5 minutes. I didn't do that. I took it out too early, but I'm gonna be honest about this. So I decided to put it back in and put it for 400 degrees and make sure that you leave it in there halfway, 2.5 to 3, and then turn it 2.5 to 3 minutes and then take it out. All right, so for this part, I was so excited to rip it open and see how it came out. And I noticed right away that the flat paint and polyurethane that I placed on there, it actually worked. You can see it. I was very surprised. And then I ripped the rest of it out, and that was the Subli Glaze, the white and the clear. And you can tell by both sides that the Subli Clear glaze really worked on this. It's more darker. It has more definition, more colors to it, more vibrant than the flat paint with the polyurethane. So it worked. Now, another thing I've noticed is the bottom of the tumbler or the cup, I guess either I didn't coat it correctly or coat it enough, and or I didn't sand the bottom very good, but it worked out fantastic. It was very smooth. It was shiny. It works. So I'm gonna keep practicing on this. You guys try it out and let me know what you think.